Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to check live Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what I can recommend you to do is to just head over in here on your online store and then click on this little eye icon right here. Alternatively, you can just click on this button right here that says view your store. So head over and click on that. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see your store right here. So what we can do is you can actually just click on this URL, control click on it, or just right click on it and then click on this copy option. Once I have done that, we should be able to see in here this new tab. So head over to a new tab and then just try to search for jtmetrics.com. Then enter in here or paste in here the actual URL that we have copied. Then click on this test your site right here. So as you can see, this is actually analyzing the URL that we have provided, which is the URL of our store. And then once we have done that, we should be able to see some reports based on our actual store. Now, once the results have been generated, it will show you this account page right here when you need to create an account. So let's just head over and create an account right here. Just put in here your actual first name and your email, and then just choose in here your email that you want to use for this specific account right here. And then for me, I'll just head over and do that and then agree to their terms and conditions and then create an account. And then in here, it will ask for the email validation link. So let's head over to the Gmail in here and we should be able to see that validation link that we have. So let's just head over and then look for that validation link right here. And then let's head over to that email. Now on this email that will be generated, we should be able to see a button or a link wherein we can just click on this. So once you have clicked on this link, click on this validate my email address. And then once you have validated your email account, you should be able to see your report next. So once you're in here, you should be able to just enter the gtmetrics.com in order to see the report. So let's just wait for this. And then as you can see, this is the dashboard. Just click on this view report right here. Then once you have done that, you should be able to see the performance grade, the LCP, TBT, and also the speed visualizations. You can also see in here the top issues that you want. And as you can see, the impact is quite low, which is not really good since you want to have become a high impact website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.